It's a berry-loving bear. How scared are you of it?
No, I'm not. It just doesn't smell it at all.
What if there's a bear right here? So we've got a hotel room here for the night. It's mainly washroom, but it's mainly like bag gear, testing, packing, organizing our mess for tomorrow. How's your packs feel?
Okay.
Yeah. Just got dropped off in Port Renfrew. Everyone's just packing their bags, and then we are heading 2.5 kilometers to the trailhead. Part of the trail, and this is where the 47 kilometers actually starts. We've got 14 or 13 kilometers to hit today, doing about like a 4.3 kilometer an hour pace, so 4 to 5 hours we should make it. Swept away. We won't have to jump in after you. That's fresh. What do you think about that?
I think so.
All right, bags are off. We are at Piesant Creek campsite. As you can see right there. We got to go down here today, so we're about halfway through our hike for the day at 1:04. It's beer o'clock. Cheers, Duncan.
Cheers.
Lunch is done. Time to get back at her. had to rush ahead to get a camping pad, a couple camping pads for all of us. So I missed the water source. There's one tiny creek near the campsite. However, I will warn you, if you are staying there, it's right near the outhouse, so I probably wouldn't fill from there. Instead, we are stopping at Kuitshe Creek, and we are going to fill up here. Oh shit.
A little bit of water's not going to kill them.
Got 2 liters plus a Nalgene, hand washing, and Duncan's finishing up the rest of his Nalgene here.
Those ones so full.
Make the struggle look real.
The struggle is real.
Don't.
Oh shit! Fucking balls!
All fresh and clean, ready to go. That's it for day 1 on Juan De Fuca Trail. So far, so good. We did about 14 kilometers today. We landed at Kuitshe campsite. It's pretty good, however, there's not much spaces, especially on a long weekend. The trail is a bit easier than the West Coast Trail, but still has a lot of the stunning features. The only thing we haven't encountered yet that the West Coast Trail is actually known for is the ladders, but I suppose that's a good thing. You can carry more weight on you without slugging it out. Also, we've really lucked out in the fact there has been no rain. So, the muddiest section of the trail we just completed, and there was nothing in our way. If you're at this campsite, make your way down to these rocks and catch the sunset, because there's some stunning views here. As you can see, it's just going along the edge of this harbor here. Wow. I'm gonna take it in, then I'm gonna make my way back up to camp. We're gonna make some chili dogs tonight. That's our favorite on night 1 of the camp. I've also got a big beer to finish off. So, look what happened to my finger. This was on one of those stove tops. That calls for one of these for sure.
A spoonful of this? Try not to throw up. Actually, no.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Chili cheese dogs.